Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Salatu wa salam ala Rasul wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. My dear brothers and sisters, elders of our various communities, the ulamas, I greet you with the Islamic greeting of Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you very much to Malam Jabir for that elaborate introduction. Let me say it proudly that you denied me my rightful status. We are discussing marriage here. You only said I was married with kids. Please make it clear that I'm married to 2 lovely wives. And inshallah, there is space for another 2. This is just by the way, when Jabir contacted me and explained the very program or activities that is being carried by this outfit, I was very pleased and very happy, because I have been one of the proponents of that narrative that we underutilize our institutions and spaces. I've also said that we do not have to just build the mosques for prayers only. And so when this idea was sent to me, I said Alhamdulillah, and I was very happy. And I said it was a novelty. When we start using the physical spaces we have for programs like this, within the shortest possible time, we would realize that we are enlightening people. And then the message is getting to them. Because with our very setup, we grow up and then by taking instructions from our families first, and then community elders, and then our teachers, but collectively coming together as intellectuals to discuss common issues and interests where we have different perspectives from experienced persons. Organizing symposiums and forums in this manner has been missing in our community. We see other communities engaging in those things, and then we see them flying and flying and flying. So I would want to commend the organizers for actually organizing this. And for us, the participants, whenever we find ourselves being called upon to grace such occasions, we should make it a point to go, because we are also learning. You come here and you will learn a lot of stuff you may not have necessarily learned in the classrooms or your various lecture halls. I was very happy when Master Jabir told me that, look, we are starting this program at 10 a.m. exactly. We are trying to break away from the regular stuff that we do in our various Zongo communities. I said, Alhamdulillah, some people are thinking in this direction. So from yesterday evening, I had to cancel everything and prepare for this technical, because I wanted to make a good example of how we should live as a community. We can't develop if we are not organized. And thank you for that, Kabir, but I will still lash you. Unfortunately, I came here at 6 minutes past 10. I was late myself, but I was surprised to see that it was my parents, the elders of our community, who were here waiting. They have already lived their lives. This lecture, real benefactors of these lectures. But we went here. I think we must take a lot of bashing and lashings for this. Let's be serious. Let's be disciplined. And then once we intend to do things at appropriate time, let's learn to do these things like that. By doing that, every other aspect of your life will be in tune. We as Muslims have had the opportunity to pray Fajr, Maghrib, and Isha on given times. We do not have any reason at all. We do not have any reason at all to be found wandering when it comes to being on point and on time. I wouldn't want to waste so much time, because we've already had to wait and we've listened to a lot of lectures. We are yet to listen to a lot more lectures. And I'll say thank you to the organizers. Anyone who knows me will know that I'm always most humbled to be. The option is not mine, whether I will accept or not, because it's relaxing this Saturday, but then I have taken the opportunity to come. It is a duty call from my community, a duty call from my elders, and I know that inshallah with your cooperation you help us steer. I'm not leading it, I'm helping you steer it. So we help us steer it, and we will all live here the better. Wassalam, salam ala rasul. Alhamdulillah, thank you.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.